Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's that time of the week. I need a Sunday reset in my life right now. My room, oh, it is a tip. It is shocking, it's disgusting. From this angle, it looks clean, but I've never let my room get this dirty before. So I need to kind of get my shit together this Sunday. I'm just going to be doing self-care, cleaning, tidying, organising, and just a bit of reading and stuff. So I thought, let's just get up early. It's a really hot day, but let's just be productive. So here we are filming this video. So here is the final product. It might not look cleaner to you guys, but it feels it and looks it to me. It just feels so much better. I'm really proud of how much I've got done in such a short amount of time. I think my favourite part of my room, like POV, is this. Like, it just, don't know, it just hits different. I just love it. This is my new favourite part as well, this little book bit. I'm a bit of a bookworm now, guys, and I love that for me. I'm trying to get into good habits for when I go back to uni. But part one of my Sunday reset is complete. Now it's time to go into part two, phase two, and that is a bit of self-care, getting me in the bath, because honestly I need it. And it's such a hot day today, it's gonna have to be a cold one, so let's go get that run. So I am all nice and fresh out of the bath now. Oh my god, it feels so good to have nice and fresh hair. So I need to brush it and I'm going to put my cream on. I was going to do a face mask, but I don't know if I'm really feeling that. But if you can hear karaoke outside, when it's hot and it's nice outside, one of our neighbours always sings like songs on karaoke, and he's actually really good. So I'm just going to be sat here listening to him and talking to you. But why I do this, for this Sunday reset, I really want to recommend you a book that you could read and get into, and a podcast. So in the bath then, I was just listening to Megan Short's Life Is Your Bitch podcast, I think it's called, and I always listen to it. She's my go-to podcaster when I go on my podcast walks. I just feel like she speaks so much sense, and like it's just really inspiring and confidence building. Like there's so many different aspects that come to you in her podcast, so I'll put a picture here. I defo recommend you go listen to it on Spotify. Like I actually adore it. And then a book that I want to recommend to you that might help you just get into good habits, because that's what I've been trying to do recently, is if you're like me, I love a good Vampire Diaries or Teen Wolf, or if you've watched the film Fallen, it's very much like that. If you haven't watched the film Fallen, I really recommend you go watch it, because oh my god, it's absolutely amazing. And I read this book recently called Hush Hush. I'll put a picture of it here. Oh my gosh, I seen it in the library and I was like, oh my god, I need that book, I need it. But I was like, I've still got 2 books I need to read, so I blitzed through one of the books and was like, I can't, I just need to buy it. So I went and bought it, and I read that book within 24 hours. Guys, I've never done that in my life. I don't even think I've read a book within a week, never mind 24 hours. It was a big long book as well. It's like 300 and something pages, probably more than that, and it was called Hush Hush. And it was just, if you love like romance and stuff, I definitely recommend it. I'm gonna actually start a new book in this video as well, or tonight, I don't know when it'll happen, because I do also need to eat something, because I've just been so productive today and I'm really proud of myself for that. But I just recommend that book so much. Like I've never read a book in under 24 hours or in 24 hours. Like I'm dyslexic, so I really struggle with reading, and sometimes when I can't get into a book, I just can't do it. But oh my god, like I've just found my passion for reading again, and I absolutely love that. I feel like I go in and out of phases where I love reading and then I can't be bothered, but it's just getting the motivation to pick up the book and read for me, and once I do, oh, I get stuck. So recently I've read Hush Hush and Ugly Love, and I think I mentioned this over on my TikTok, but I think Ugly Love is really overrated. It got really overrated on TikTok and everyone was going on about it, and honestly I'd read it again. Like it's a good book, but people made it out to be the best thing since sliced bread. It definitely wasn't, but it was a good read, so I would recommend that book as well. Just don't expect like amazing things from it, because it's not, in my opinion anyway, it wasn't like amazing. It was like, I'd give it a 3 out of 5. This is really gross guys, but I just remembered what I need to do. I need to cut my toenails. This is really gross, but I'm really not bothered. It's the truth. I always forget to do them, and it's when I'm in the gym on the treadmill and they're digging into my feet, like my other toe, is when I realise I need to cut my toenails. So I'm gonna do that now, so tomorrow when I go to the gym, I'm nice and fresh. So I've just come to sit in the garden. I've decided I'm not going to sit in the sun, and I'm going to sit in our little corner. How nice is this bit? Our garden is so beautiful. I just can't deal with it. It's so gorgeous. Anyways, this is my book that I'm going to read. Well, I'm gonna start. I've wanted to read it for ages. I've heard so many mixed opinions about it. Like some people love it, and then some people think it was overrated, and then some people just ain't a fan of it. So I really want to make my own opinion on it and just get through it and read it. Apparently it's gonna make me cry and upset me, so I'll see how that goes. I hate anything that makes me sad, because I'm just a really emotional person, so hopefully it doesn't upset me too much. Before I actually start reading though, I'm gonna have some cheesy garlic bread. I'm really in the mood for this now. I can't wait to eat it. Got my book. I finished my garlic bread. But I'm gonna try this for you guys. I went to a Starbucks event yesterday and I got quite a few of these, and I give one to my mum. I'm not a big coffee girl, I'm not gonna lie. I don't like coffee. I don't like the taste of it. So I do love Starbucks, but I always get a caramel frap without no coffee in it. But I have always wanted to try the caramel macchiato. I'm not sure if macchiato is a really strong type of coffee, but we are about to find out. I've had it nice and chilled, and I'm hoping I like it, you know. The other ones were like, I had another one. I was dead creamy, it was lovely. Right, okay. Wait, are you meant to shake them? Oh god. That'll be enough. Let's see. I like it. It's got coffee in it and I like it. Oh my god, I actually like that. I'm shook. Like, if I didn't like it, I'd be spitting it out, which I normally do with coffee. I hate the taste of it. It tastes like dirt in my mouth. But this is giving me like, oh my god, I actually really like that. I can definitely taste the coffee, but the caramel is overpowering it, and the creaminess, oh my god. I think I've just found my new favourite Starbucks drink. So I'm going to sit here with my Starbucks and my book, and let's just read. My hair is dried so quick from being sat outside reading because it's so hot, but that is my Sunday reset complete. I kind of want to make a goal now in this Sunday reset, and it's something that I really struggle with. So I really struggle with trying new foods. I hate it. It's the bane of my life. I can't stand it. And one thing I don't eat is fruit and veg. So I think I'm going to set myself a goal right now to try one new fruit each month, because I don't want to do it too much because then I'll put myself off it. So that's my goal. Maybe you guys can set yourself a little goal, and yeah, comment down below if you're going to set yourself a goal, what it will be. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope we've all had an amazing Sunday. I know I have. I feel really good. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, like and comment down below, and I will see you on Wednesday for another video. Bye!